Oh. Whoa. And we landed on our feet.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating and you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping that big week.
Young boy on the beat.
Beautiful day to get some RC, yeah. Warm it up. Gonna warm that fraction up. Yes, sir. Hey. All right, baby. Get this new PB. Oh. Oh. Whoa. And we landed on our feet. Land on our feet, though. All right, guys. Well, I got it. Hey, look. I should be standing right here. See what we got. See what numbers we got, y'all. That's what we're gonna do. We ain't gonna mess with them. We're gonna go see what numbers we got. 77. Man, I know I can hit more than 77, baby. Alright, let's feel that motor. That motor better hot. That motor barely hot, baby. I like that. So we got 77 out of her. Turn around, see what we got, guys. See what we got, baby. Let's see what we got. $79. $79, baby. 1 more mile per hour, we would have had it. But that is a new PB though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this cool off, then we're gonna come back at it, okay? Big Gap, Mobay, Crucial, Rajay 111, everybody, JP, Tony Tech, Scottzilla, Uncle Steve OD, everybody. I wanna thank all y'all for supporting me. Everyone, man. I know I'm missing a lot. But I wanna thank all y'all for supporting True Woods RC. And guess what we're gonna do? Let's get it, baby. Let's go to my brother's channel. I wanna make sure y'all subscribe to his channel also, man. RC Adventure, Vincent, France. RC Adventure, Vincent, France. Make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. He's a great brother. Love his RC videos.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating and you broke, boy, take a seat.